Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Today we will be discussing two different problems, okay? So let's start with first one. Write a query to find the first name, last name and birth date of patients who has height greater than 160 and weight greater than 70, okay? So let's begin it. Select from where, okay? Why we are having where? Because we have a condition, right? So from which table? Patients table. And what we are selecting? We are selecting the columns first name, last name, comma, birthday. So what is the condition? Height should be greater than 160 and weight should be greater than 70 there, right? So let's check it. Yeah, we got correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So write a query to find a list of patients, first name, last name, and allergies from Hamilton, where allergies are not null. Where allergies are not null. So again, select from where, from which table? Patients table, isn't it? So from which table? Patients table. And then extracting first name, last name, allergies. We are extracting, and then they have given condition that city should be Hamilton, right? City should be Hamilton. City is equals to Hamilton. And they are also mentioning that allergies is not null. Is not null. So this is the condition. So let's check it. Yeah, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.